This time, Islamic Secrets will reveal the benefits of fasting carried out by Muslims, surprising world scientists. Today, at least 2 billion Muslims fast during the month of Ramadan, which makes non-Muslim scientists curious about the benefits of fasting carried out by Muslims throughout the world. The month of Ramadan is one of the months most awaited by Muslims throughout the world. In this special month, Muslims are required to fast. Ramadan fasting is a worship that is carried out by refraining from everything such as eating, drinking, and other bad things from sunrise to sunset, accompanied by the intention for Allah. The benefits of fasting have been proven by scientists from the United States and even scientists from Russia and Japan. There has been a lot of research on the benefits of fasting. One of them is the result of research conducted by a group of nutrition experts from the University of Southern California, United States. According to the professor of biology, Professor Walter Longo, said that fasting can provide enough time to form new cells that can increase the body's immunity. In their research report, the scientists concluded that fasting for 3 days can improve the immune system, especially for cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. Apart from that, fasting can improve the immune system of seniors who continue to decline due to age. If the body's cell system has been badly damaged due to chemotherapy treatment or through the aging process, by fasting it is able to restore new, better cells, said Walter. Regular fasting can also increase white blood cells in the body. By increasing white blood cells, it can help improve a person's immune system. The most important finding of scientists is that fasting can prevent a person from being at risk of cancer and tumors, because fasting can reduce the pKa enzyme, an enzyme that triggers cancer and tumors. Fasting causes an increase in the body's immunity, especially against tuberculosis and streptococcus infections, and reduces inflammation. Many diseases characterized by inflammation will reduce the symptoms if fasting is done. Fasting improves the quality of thinking of the brain because waste and toxins are cleaned, preventing aging diseases in the brain such as stroke, dementia, and Alzheimer's. Fasting also improves the quality of blood vessels and the heart, repairs heart muscle and blood vessels, and protects against coronary heart disease. Fasting improves the quality of breathing. Toxins from cigarettes or other gases will be cleared. Lung inflammation will decrease with fasting. Fasting improves metabolic disorders in the body, in people with diabetes and obesity, because inflammation will be reduced by fasting. Fasting can reduce fat reserves in all body organs. This process is called lipophagy. Fasting is very useful for the elderly, improving their quality of life. Scientists say that fasting in the elderly will reduce inflammation, repair body cells, and increase cell metabolic capacity. Fasting is able to change cells that would otherwise become malignant into normal cells. Research by Russian scientists has proven that fasting can prolong life. One of the benefits of fasting revealed by scientific research is that it can extend life. This conclusion was understood from the research results of Vladimir Nikitin, a Russian scientist. This research began with the results of his observations of the pilot's physical condition. He was surprised why many Muslims were fat even though they often fasted, both obligatory fasting and sunnah fasting. Finally, he carried out research by using mice as the object of his research. He took samples from 5 groups of mice. Each group's diet is regulated and different from one another. Some are fed every day, others are fasted. Some were even given no food at all. The first group of mice was fasted on Mondays and Thursdays. The second group was fasted according to Dodd's fasting model, and the third group of mice was fasted every day without sahur, or breaking the fast, and the next group of mice was fed every day. As a result, it turned out that mice that were fed every day only reached 2.5 years of age. Meanwhile, the group of mice that fasted every day without being fed did not live long. Meanwhile, the group of mice that fasted Monday, Thursday, and fasted David were relatively 4 years old. So with his research, Vladimir concluded that fasting can increase longevity. Several Western scientists also recognized the benefits of fasting for health. The health benefits of fasting are also recognized by a number of Western scientists. They know it as intermittent fasting. The world's largest research conducted by the Buchinger Wilhelmi family for 100 years shows that fasting is very good for health.